Hi children, good morning. Welcome back to my English class. So what we discussed in the last class? Yes, we discussed about key detail, main idea and summary. So I hope you understood that. So today we are going to compare the two stories. Which are the stories, do you know? Yes, we already read two stories. Which are they? The torch and the golden goose. So in the first class we read the golden goose and the next class we read the torch. Right? Okay. So today we are going to compare the two stories. So what is the term compare? What is by comparing two things? So look at this chalk. So can you say some differences about this chalk? And can you say some similarities about this chalk? So you can say both are white in color. Same thing. Both are chalks and both are white in color. But what is the difference? Compare these two. Yes, one is very short and one is very long. Like this, short and long. Okay. So here two pictures are here. One thing is about the chalk itself. One is short and one is long. So that is the difference in that picture. Both are lines. But what is the difference? What is the same thing? Both are lines. That is the same thing. But what is the difference? Yes, one is short and one is long. Okay. So that is comparison. So look at these flowers. Both are flowers. That is the same thing. Right. But what is the difference? Yes, different kind of flowers. Okay, one is having the leaf, but the first does not have the leaf. Some difference is there between the flowers also. So did you understand the term similarities and differences and comparing? Okay, so comparing means saying the similarities and differences. Similarities means the same things, differences means what is the change in that thing. So that is about similarities and differences, comparing. So if you are saying about the character of two boys, so we can compare the two boys. So how can we compare? We will say like this, the boy is a good boy. This boy is a naughty boy. So good and naughty. So we can compare the character also. So that is about comparison. So today we are going to compare the two stories. Which are the stories? The golden goose and the torch. So look at the board. I have written some things here. Differences, differences, similarities. So what is here? I have written some points here. So in this, here I have written the difference in the story Golden Goose, and there I have written the difference in the story The Torch. In the middle I have written the similarities, what is same in the both stories, and the ends I have written the differences. So what about the setting of the story? Is it same or different? Different only. So in the Golden Goose the setting is village. In the Torch the setting is city. Right. Okay. In the Golden Goose there are 4 characters. Right. woman, two daughters, and the golden goose. Here in the torch, the characters are Maya, Dr. Ganesha, and the daughter. So there are three characters. Here, who helped the family in the golden goose? Yes, it is goose itself. Goose helped the family. The who helped the family? Dr. Ganesha helped the family in the torch. Here, the thing that turned into gold is feathers. And there, the thing that turned the things into gold is the torch. And here in the story, the woman decided to pluck the feathers of the golden goose and it turned into white. So what happened in the torch? Maya decided to steal the torch. So that are the differences in the story, the golden goose and the torch. Did you understand? Okay. So can you say what are similarities? Some things are same in the stories. In both stories, some things are same. Some situations are same. Which are they? Can you tell one point? Try. Okay, I will help you. So in the both stories, we can see the greedy women. Isn't it? Yes. In both stories, the first story, the golden goose, we can see the woman who is very greedy. And also in the torch, Maya is very greedy. So we saw greedy women. That is this point. And at the end of the story, both the women realized their folly, their foolishness. They realized their foolishness. Isn't it? Yes. So women realized their folly. That is the same thing in both stories. And also moral is same. So both stories taught as a lesson. So what is the moral of the story? Greed makes a man foolish and blind. So that is the moral in both stories. And in both stories, the main character helped the family. Main characters helped them, the family. Okay, so in the golden goose, who is the main character, helpful character? The golden goose. And in the torch, who is the main character? Dr. Ganesha, the kind man. Isn't it? Yes. So that is about differences, similarities. So did you understand the term comparing? Okay. Yes. So comparing means saying the similarities and differences. Similarities means the same things. Differences means the change in that part. Did you understand? Okay. So, in your workbook, you have one work. Page number, block 3, page number 21. You can see this. So, the golden goose and the torch. Write the similarities and the differences between the golden goose and the torch. So it is given here, the golden goose, the torch, both stories. So here you have to write the date. So here you have to write the differences in the story, golden goose. Here you have to write the differences in the story, the torch. In the middle, you have to write the similarities. Did you understand? Okay. So this is called Venn diagram. This is called Venn diagram. So here we can write the differences. Here also differences. In the middle, we can write the similarities. what is same in the both stories. So you can use these points for writing this Venn diagram. Is it clear for you? Okay. Second question, why do you think the author wrote a story that is so similar to the Golden Goose? So the question is, why the author means the writer, wrote a story that is similar to the Golden Goose. So what do you think, why the author written like a story? So we can write like this, the author must have written a similar stories because she wanted students to understand the similarities and differences. Maybe she written this story to tell us about the condition of people in our real life, about the greedy people. That may be one reason. That may be one reason for that, right? So any one reason you can write. So what is your opinion? So maybe she want to say about the differences and similarities, or maybe she want to tell about the present day situation of the greedy people. Any one point you can write in the second question. Is it clear for you? Okay. And also you have to do page number 23, S3. So S2 we will discuss later. So S3 you have to write. It is the same question, but you have to write in paragraphs with the help of S1. So before that you have to write today's date, writing to compare and contrast. So contrast means writing the differences. So here write a 2-paragraph compare and contrast essay about the Golden Goose and the torch with the help of the similarities and differences from S1. So S1 we have done the Venn diagram, we have written the similarities and differences. With the help of that diagram you have to write the similarities and differences in paragraph, in 2 paragraphs. So while writing that paragraph, the first paragraph should contain the similarities. You have to start the paragraph with similarities, and in the second paragraph you can write the differences. Is it clear? Okay. So how will you start that paragraph? So first we have to write the similarities, isn't it? Okay. The stories, the Golden Goose and the torch are similar in many ways. So which are the ways we have to explain next? So first we have to start the sentence like that. The stories, the Golden Goose and the torch are similar in many ways. So what are the similarities? So in the Golden Goose, the woman and daughters are poor like in the torch. Isn't it? Yes. So in the Golden Goose also the family is very poor, and the torch also the family is very poor. The goose helps the poor woman with the golden feathers each day, and in the story Dr. Ganesha helped the family with the golden things. So that are similar things, and they sold the feather in the market and got the money to live in comfort. Like that Maya also used to get money. And what happened? In both stories we can see the greedy women. In the Golden Goose also and in the torch also we can see the greedy women. And also one more point, in both stories the moral is same. The moral is same. That also you can write. Greed makes a man foolish and blind. So that things you can write as similarities in one paragraph. So what you can write as differences? Yes. The two stories have some differences, isn't it? Yes, it have some differences. Instead of a helpful goose, here who is helping the family in the torch? Dr. Ganesh. And also setting, you can write the setting of the story in the goose is the village, and the setting of the story in the torch is the city. So one more point you can write in the golden goose. The woman planned to pluck the feathers of the goose, and in the torch Maya decided to steal the torch. So that differences you can write. So it is very easy to write the similarities and differences, and you can use these points for writing S1 and S3. So is it clear for you? So I would like to give some homeworks for you from your textbook, page number 20. Question number 6 and 7. 6 and 7. So let us discuss the questions. Choose two folk tales, write the similarities and differences between them in a Venn diagram. So you have to, folk tales means the stories like this, the stories that we are passing from generation to generation. So like these stories you have to take, two stories you have to take, and you have to draw a Venn diagram, and you have to write the similarities and differences. So like this you have to compare the stories. That is about the 6th question. And in the 7th, rewrite the given compare contrast essay and correct all the errors. So what you have to do, you have to read this question, and some errors are there, some mistakes are there. So you have to change the mistake, you have to rewrite it. So that is about the questions. Is it clear for you? Okay. So let us wind up our class. So what we discussed in this class? Comparing. The main point is compare and contrast. Similarities and differences. Similarities means same things. Differences means different things. So hope you understand this class. Let's wind up our class and see you in the next class. Till then, bye-bye.